wigwag himself. Steven, how you been, buddy?
Doing great, man. Back's feeling good. Legs feeling good.
So glad you got to show up.
Yippers. Yeah, it's a nice drive in.
Tell everybody about your channel so they can go over there and check you out.
Well, right now it's not too much modeling or doing a lot of cigar stuff, but I'm building a model from Bob PKNW Model Works, the Ice House, so stay tuned for that. Got a couple videos up on it already. Gonna do a build video soon, so stay tuned for that.
Steven's a fellow Pappy. Turn around and see your shirt. Look at that, old Pappy. All right.
Got a last buddy ball game today. Unfortunately, I couldn't make it, but
Well, we'll understand on this one because you got to show up here.
Yippers. And yep, I got I'm on Facebook and Instagram, same name.
Wigwags Workshop?
Yep.
All right.
On Instagram, post stuff all the time there too.
Thank you, Steven. We'll get you a name tag. We gotta give Wigwag something here from Wisconsin. Stormy, Jenny, and I were at the store, and we hear Wigwag's videos all the time in the comments and stuff that he misses something he can't get, but only in Wisconsin. He's a former Wisconsinite like we are. And go ahead and open this up, Wigwag.
Right.
See what you got.
That's custom
Make
wrap
sure
in
you get
there.
it in the video.
Sweet sour fire. So, Wisconsin old fashions, right? So, typical old fashioned has bourbon, but in Wisconsin we use brandy, and you can get it sour, sweet, or plain. And I like it sour, and the best one is Jolly Good Sour Power.
There you go. And you can't get it over here, only in Wisconsin, so we thought of you and we got it.
Awesome. So back in the day, back in the 70s, a Jolly Good can, after you drink it, the laser engraved in the bottom of the can was a joke. So you would drink it, and after you finished it, you would like try to get it, and there'd be like a little saying in the bottom of the can.
I remember that, maybe.
Yeah, yep, that's why it's like, that was a special treat for me as a Jolly Good soda. If I was good in school, Mom would be like, you can have a Jolly Good.
Well, you got 4 of them there on
I
us.
appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jen.
You're welcome.
Now you gotta chug it and see if there's a joke involved.
All right, everybody. Thanks a lot, man.
Awesome. I appreciate it, guys.
Yep.